Alright, so jumping right into it, you want to open up Davinci Resolve, and I am using the free version of Davinci Resolve. Next, you want to go ahead and already have the clips that you want to use. You can use 3 clips or you can use 4 clips. I'm using 4 clips just for the sake of this tutorial. If you don't already have the clips you want to use, pause this video and go find those clips. So if this is for social media, you want to make sure you have the vertical resolution box checked under your project settings or your master settings. Click save. And then once you import or once you drag your videos onto the timeline, they will be horizontal and you can move them up or down. You can zoom in, you can crop it to however you want it to look. It's totally your decision on how you want your videos to look, how you want your videos to stack, and how you want to color grade your videos. Alright, so after you have your clips, decide how long you want it. This video is about 8 seconds long. It's just for social media, so it doesn't need to be long. It can even be 5 to 6 seconds if you want it long. So once you have all your clips selected, you need to go ahead and stack them like you see here. And it doesn't matter if you're using Davinci, Adobe, Final Cut Pro, you should be able to stack these videos. So you should have at least 3 videos or 4 videos stacked. Next, you want to determine where you want your transition to come into. Since it's for social media, I typically like them to come in pretty fast to catch the watcher's attention. So I'm going to split them at 1 second, between 1 and 2 seconds. And you want to split them for all the videos. So if you split it at 1 second here, you split it at 1 second here, and so forth. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna split, 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 and split. So you should have something that looks like this. And before we do our transition, we're going to come over here into the color grading tab. What we're going to do is you can see which clips are the ones we want to keep the color grade on. We're going to click on clips, and it should be these first 4 clips that don't have the color grade. So we're going to remove this color grade, delete, delete, and delete, and let's see. Okay, so the first 4 videos we removed the color grade, and then the rest of the clips we still have the color grade right here. So if you come back to your timeline and drag your marker over, you should see that the beginning of your video should be in S-Log3 or whatever format you recorded in. Boom. Okay, to get the wipe transition, we're going to come over to the effects tab over here, and we are going to click on video transitions and scroll all the way down to edge wipe. And we're going to drag it on each split. And you should see something that looks like this. So let's close that, and to get it at a different angle, you can keep it like this if you want it to come from the bottom up, or we can come over here in the inspector tab and click on transition, and you can type in 90, so that will give you a 90-degree angle. And so you can see the first video up here has that 90-degree angle, and we're just going to go on each transition and change it. You can totally copy and paste, but for the tutorial, I'm just showing you everything. So 90. So let's play it back. And there we have it. Look, let me slow back my playback to half. So let's play it and we should have something that look like that. Now, if you want to put a border on it, this is where you put the border right here over the inspection tab. And it will add a border. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can add a border. So you should have something like this. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.